Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AGI Alpha Agent token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, AGI Alpha, the ultimate alpha signal engine, a meta-agentic AGI, an AI that creates and commands other AIs to solve problems beyond any single system reach, powered by blockchain DAO governance and the Alpha utility token. It operates autonomously with minimal human oversight. AGI Alpha aims to unlock a portion of the $15 quadrillion in global economy potential of AGI. AGI Alpha is in project institution rating is 3.4. AGI Alpha token total supply is 999.9499 million and circulating supply is also 999.99 million. AGI Alpha token. AGI Alpha token is listed on Radium and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.